The other component of the valve that should be checked is the backwash control. It can be removed with a large screwdriver. The backwash control is coded with a number that corresponds to the resin tank diameter. Standard backwash controls are available for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12-inch diameter tanks. The backwash control provides the proper backwash rate for ion exchange resins, which is 4.5 gallons per minute per square foot of bed area. The only exception is for units equipped with an optional turbolator backwash distributor. The turbolator propels mineral beads from the bottom of the mineral bed to the top. Systems equipped with turbolators should use a backwash that is 2 sizes larger. For example, an 8-inch diameter tank with turbolator would use a number 10 backwash control. The number of grooves molded in the conical area control the flow rate during backwash, and the rubber ball acts as a pressure regulator. You will get an accurate backwash rate at various inlet pressures. If the backwash control or ball are damaged, they should be replaced with one of the same size.